Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm a Spoonie. A Spoonie is somebody with a chronic condition. And the Stitcher part, well, I've had a lot of surgery, so I'm kind of covered in stitches. But also, a Stitcher is somebody who does textile arts. Although I do all kinds of art on my channel. I guess I'm considered an art YouTuber. I'm not sure. I'm trying to move away from the textile arts and go back to some of the stuff I used to do. I used to do ribbon art, drawing, clay, beading, all kinds of stuff. Speaking of beading, today's video is all about some charms I bought. So we're approaching Halloween season, and I really want to make some beautiful jewelry and stitch markers for some of my friends. I bought a really cool pack of Halloween charms, and I thought you guys might want to unbox them with me. Why not? It's kind of a different video, but I don't know, I thought it would be fun. So let's go to the table and see what the charms look like. I am so excited. Look at all of these cute little Halloween charms. Okay, so we've got the little ghosties, and let's see, what else do we have? What are these? I think they're bats. I don't know. Okay, we've got those. I love this. Look at that. I love that. Little bats in the moon. Totally love that one. Please tell me there's two. There is. Yay. Okay. Oh my gosh, does this not say Mummy Baymax? This is Mummy Baymax. No, okay, I know who that's going to. I know who that's going to. Hopefully there's two. I would love to make earrings for them. I don't know. Okay, we got a little ghost. This says Scooby-Doo to me. Anybody else? Totally Scooby-Doo, right? Okay. Little witchy hat. A little cat on a broomstick. Cute. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, we got some webbies. Spider webs. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yay, we got another little Baymax mummy. So cute. Oh, we got an angry ghost. Oh. Oh. Okay, then. Grim Reaper. Oh, the little skeleton is so cute. Oh, I love it. Okay. I think there's two of everything in here in case you want to make earrings. I'm pretty sure that's how they did it. So here's another angry ghosty. Jack-o'-lantern. And happy little jack-o'-lantern. Those are different, but that's okay. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. It's almost like a matching game. Remember those when you were a kid? We've got a black little ghosty. Ooh. Oh, we got another one. The pumpkin with the little hat. That's cute. Ooh, look, you could do like yin and yang with ghosties. That's cute, huh? I don't know why I'm saying ghosty. I never say ghosty, but today I'm saying ghosty. Oh, here's another Grim Reaper. There we go. Grim Reaper. I can talk. Two little black ghosties. Oh, how cute. He's riding a broom with a little hat. Okay, I like this one a lot. Is this one the same? Yes. Oh, so cute. You guys, I just got this from Amazon, and it just said random charms. I don't know exactly. But, oh, look, there's a cat in the moon. What is going to be in this package? Okay, this one says G, in case you didn't know, and this one is the same in gold. Yay, we got another skeleton. Okay. I guess I'll just put these over here for now. There's another cat in the moon. Here's one of those little white furry things. Sorry, that was my timer. Here's a little broom. That's kind of cute. We've got a white little spider web. So their idea is white and black, as I'm seeing, which is kind of fun. Got a little haunted house. Another haunted house. Y'all, this is gonna be fun. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He looks scared, but he's cute. I like him. We should give him a name. I don't know why, but I'm thinking Norman. And we got a black version here. Maybe this is his brother. Norman and Neville. How about that? We're gonna name them. Norman and Neville. Why? Because that's the names that came to my head. Here's another cat on a broom. Can go with that one. And oh, we've got some fangs here. Ooh. Here's the other one. Oh, here's the other white ghosty. There we go. So I need the black one. Haha, found it. Nobody's timing me, are they? There's a little gold one. So the little black one has to be here somewhere. There it is. Here is another broomstick. Another jack-o'-lantern. Another web. Is it the white one? Yep. Haha. A little witch. Isn't she cute? And notice she has, whoa! She has red hair. Did you watch my video about redheads? Here's our scared little Norman. So now we need Neville. Is this Neville? No. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I might not be able to give this one away. I think he's my favorite. He's so cute. Is this his brother? Yeah, his little twin. Okay, I could just turn these over, like, you know, like a sane person. Okay. Here's the second witch. The second hat. Here's the other jack-o'-lantern with a hat. This looks Christmassy to me. Anybody else? I don't know what you're doing here, but you look Christmassy. I might save you for Christmas. We're in Halloween season, people. No Christmas yet. Or, you know, you could also do the thing about Hallow Thanksmas, which is all of them. Here is that a church? Interesting. Okay, we got a little church. We've got two little moons. And two little bats. Look at that. Aren't they cute? There are ghosts inside the bat wings. Look! And we've got the white version. That seems to be a theme. We've got scary little pumpkins. Terrifying. Ooh. And these two? Oh, here's Neville. There he is. So, can you guys see everything? Move the camera so you can see everybody. Okay, well, I am going to make these into stitch markers and earrings and all kinds of fun things. And when I'm done with that, I will show you guys what they look like. But thank you so much for joining me for a very different kind of video on where we look at the Halloween charms I bought. We interrupt this program to remind you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you feel like it, and join our wonderful creative community over here. And don't forget to ring the bell down below so you never miss a video. It helps the channel. Thank you so much. We now return to our regularly scheduled program. Which one is your favorite? Mine is definitely this guy. Definitely this guy. Although Baymax Mummy is a real close second because that's hilarious. Come on, try to unsee that that's Baymax. I dare you. I also really like the nervous cats. But tell me your favorite down below. I'm very curious to hear. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video wasn't too weird. I was just trying to do something different and I got the charms. I thought you guys might want to see it. I will link the charms down below if you want to get them yourself. They were just a cheap little pack on Amazon. I don't know what they're called, but I will link them down below if you want to get them for yourself. Please check out my other videos. I have a ton. Please remember to check out the Facebook group. It is linked down below. They get free patterns. They get to vote first. It's really fun. It's kind of like a membership, but it's free. All you have to do is answer 2 questions. What do I say at the end of every video? Every single video. And what do you love about yarn? And if you don't love yarn, what do you love that other people do with yarn? So, thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!